Hi there, my name is Storm, and I thought that I would do a little tutorial on how you can put text into Sci. And keep in mind that you cannot actually edit this text, it's mostly just copy pasting stuff, and it's super easy and anybody can do it, especially new artists. And it can be really helpful if you're wanting to write your name or something, but don't have the best handwriting, like myself. And today I'm going to be putting it onto this picture right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to open any program of your choice. It doesn't have to be Photoshop, it doesn't have to be Word, it could be MS Paint, it could be Google Docs, anything. So you just type whatever you're going to type out, and then you go and you get your snipping tool. You open it, click New, and you just want to put a box around whatever you're copying. And instead of saving it, you're going to go to this little button right here that says copy, copy it, and then you go to whatever picture you're wanting to put this text on. Press Control V or paste, whichever you like to use. Drag it wherever you want to, and as you see, it has this little white box around it. Not a really cute look. I mean, I guess if you like that kind of stuff, you can keep it, but I don't like that, so I'm going to change it. And all you do is you go into Layer, then you click Luminance to Transparency, and bam, it's gone. And you might notice you can't really see this text very well because it's black. If you click Preserve Opacity and change it to any color that you want it, you can have it in basically any color. And if you want to, you can do a little clipping group thing, and you could have a cute little gradient in whatever colors you want to have. If you want to do that, you can. It's basically treated as a picture because that's essentially what it is, but I thought that this might be a little quick thing that I could make for a first video. So yeah, if you like this, let me know. I might do more videos like this in the future. Just like and subscribe, I guess. Have a good day. Bye-bye.